I probably spend way too much time getting ingredients at home and shopping for things that my wife thinks that I don't need, so I'm forever baking at home. It's a big part of my life. French pastries have been at the forefront for the last 5-10 years, which is great. And a lot of people in the food industry seem to think that Italian baking and patisserie is the next big thing. The Churchill Fellowship includes the opportunity to literally train with some of Italy's best, most eminent pastry chefs and bakers.
Paul gets the opportunity to travel and to learn and expand his knowledge in the wonderful world of Italy, which he'll bring back that experience, that knowledge, and share with our students and with his colleagues. And it means that what we're delivering it's world class, and it's setting the benchmark for what patisserie skills should be.
When Susan Nell passed away a number of years ago, there was a group of us that sat down and wanted to try to remember Susan, and the best thing we thought when we looked at all the different options was a Churchill Fellowship was the right thing to match up with what we believe is Susan's legacy. Susan was all about collaboration, so you go away, you learn, you come back, and then you impart that knowledge. New flavours, new products, new innovations are the sorts of things that we need to go out and look at and bring back to South Australia.
When there's an enthusiastic class full of youngsters who want to get somewhere and want to know how something is made, I get a real kind of lift out of that. I would like to be able to actually help apprentices develop skills in Italian breads and patisserie, and B, businesses as well. I would love to be able to see on the menus of lots of patisseries and bakeries a blend of Italian products, so I'm overwhelmingly excited by this opportunity.